My talk will cover a variety of areas. There's a lot of data to demonstrate that since the report of Abraham Flexner on the state of academic medicine in North America, we've had significant changes to the landscape and to the opportunities to diverse candidates and to women. We have started to reverse that trend somewhat. However, that effort in time has stalled and certainly requires an infusion of funds as well as focus. And my talk will cover what I see as some of the solutions to getting that change unstuck, as it were.